Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So, in this lecture, we'll see how to find the concrete quantity for the top of the roof beam. Okay, that means so all these are the beams you have, isn't it? Like they have given TB. T means top beam. Okay, top beam one. Then we have top beam two, three, and so on. This part and even this part. Now, again, what I did, I took the measurement that is from inner to inner of the column. It is 1800 for TB1. In the same way, for TB2, it is also 1800. For TB3 it is 3400. So that's it. I've done the same thing here. Okay, 1800, 1800, 3400. All the length I've put. Okay, now come to the this part. That is okay. Now see that portion is not freeze. No, this is not freeze because if I go down, I don't know in this which is length, which is breadth and all. You know how it has to be done. No, click here, go to the view option, go to the freeze panes and say freeze. So once you freeze, everything will be visible now. Now it's easy for me. Okay, this is length, this is width. Okay, yeah. Now coming to the width and the depth, for the beam, it is mentioned. Here I didn't try it for all. What I done is I went here and here the complete schedule is given. Okay, TB1 is 200 by 350, TB2 is 200 by 350 and so on. In this only TB5 and TB6 and your TB8, only these three beams are of 400 depth. Rest all are 350 only. So that is why if you see here, this is 400, 400 and 400. Okay. And here I have done 0 0.4, 0 0.4 and 0 0.4. Rest width is 0.2. So everywhere I have dragged it 0.2. And here everywhere it is 0.35. In this TB5, TB6 and TB8, TB8 it is 0.4. Very simple. Done. Concrete quantity will be how much? Length. You multiply by the width, multiply by the depth. It will give me the concrete quantity. Let me drag it everywhere. Okay, very small quantities will get here. And then total quantity is also very simple quantity. I'll multiply this by the number of member. Done. I got the answer and I'll drag it. Finish. I got the total concrete quantity here. So it will be auto sum. Click on the auto sum and enter. Done. 3.08. Very small because the length is very small. No, you're in the top floor now. There huge amount of concrete don't go into the beams. That's it. Okay. Now the concrete quantity is done. I'll teach even the slab centering and also we'll do the slab concrete quantity. It's very simple. Again, you know. Now you can teach me, right? So that is a level or that is a confidence you have. Again, I've named it like this is S1, S2, S3, S4. Again, you can name anywhere. You can even name this S1, S2. It depends on you. S5 and S6. And also I've taken the dimensions of them. Okay. See, always dimension you have to take from this outer to outer. Okay. Okay. That is from beam outer to beam outer. If you're going horizontal, take the vertical distance, and if you're going vertical, yeah, this thing along the length, you take this and this part. Okay, so this is 1800 and this is also 1800. S2 is this part is 1800, this part is 1484. So same thing, I've done an input here. See, 1800 by 1800, S2 is 1.484 into 1.8 and so on up to S6 I have done. Now coming to the depth. So depth again, you see here a separate schedule has been given, right? Schedule of slab S1, S2, S3 and all the slabs are 150 now. Again, we are lucky here. Otherwise, there is every chance in the top slab, no, if there is a water tank and all, there may be a chances that your slab thickness may be 200. Now, for example, if this was 200 S3 slab, then and let us say all other are 150. In S3, I would have done an input of 0.2 here. But here in our drawing, all are 0.15, no problem. Okay, I done 0.15. So concrete quantity equal to, again, same thing, quickly, this and this. Done. Enter. You got the answer. Drag it and then bring it at the center. Can make it bold. Fine. Now this will be also same. Yeah, done. Keep your mouse here. Auto sum. Enter. Got the answer. Bring it to the top. Done. 4.78. What is that? Slab concrete quantity. Okay, what we are finding now? Slab concrete only we are finding, no? Yeah. And centering is here. Okay, concrete we have found. So this is total roof slab concrete quantity. Okay, concrete quantity. Good. 4.78 cubic meter is required. So in the beam, it was how much? Beam it was 3.08 cubic meter. Okay, fine, no problem. Now coming to the slab centering part. Centering part, what will happen? Same thing. Whatever you are done here, no, up to here, you just copy that. Control C, bring here, and you write Control V, and then this you have to change to square meter. Square meter, write it correctly. S will square meter. Okay, now drag it. Square meter 1, length remains same. So again, it's the area we are supposed to find. So it will be equal to 1.8 into 1.8. Area 3.24 we got. I dragged it here. Finish. And then this will be again same thing. 3.2 multiply by number of members. So 1, 3.24. Drag it. Done. And then, yeah. So this will be auto sum. Enter. Done. 31.9. What is that? Square meter. 31.9 square meter of the slab centering is required if I want to do all my roof area. Okay, if I want to put the centering here, 31.9 square meter is required. And quickly tell me how many numbers of centering plates will be required. Let me quickly do that. Um, how shall I do that? Let me take the area of 0.6 into 0.9, which is 0.94. Okay, I'll do it here only. So number of plates will be equal to 31.9. I'll divide this by how much? 0.54. How did I get 0.54? I'm taking up 2 feet by 6 feet. Okay, and 2 feet in terms of meter is 0.3, and 3 feet in terms of meter is 0.9. So 0.9 into 0.6 is 0.54. So I'm dividing it by the area of one plate. That's it. I require almost 60 number of plates if I want to do my roof top slab this thing centering. Okay, 59, or let us say 60. Okay, you're getting my point. I'll delete it, not required, just for your understanding. I'm telling. Done. Finish. So I found the concrete quantity, I found the centering quantity and everything. So in the next lecture, yeah, that's it. So this was all about your building. We have done everything right from the basics. We started from the foundations, right? And now we reached till the this level. That is your slab. Entire slab concreting I have done. Okay. So once this is done, next we'll go to the Excel sheet. We'll go to the staircase part. Okay. We'll go to the staircase part and we'll try to understand that. So this was all about your complete building. I've taught you everything. I haven't missed even a single part in this, and all the calculations I've taught you, right? So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.